Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 22nd, 2022, and we're looking at some of our squash plants in what is two control groups left to fight the root knot nematode. This was the second control group, but the squash plants died in here, and it wasn't because of the root boring nematode either. They just, either it was a nutrient deficiency or it just got too hot for them. Over here we see some of the smaller plants are really struggling, like these guys here, these two. So I'm thinking that may have been the situation, but the larger plants are doing okay. Now this location just has the lasagna layered soil, and then was inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. This location over here was given the lasagna layer soil and also has earthworm castings mixed in with the soil here. So you can see these guys are just kind of chugging along, but some of them look like they're gonna perish due to the immense heat that they get during the middle of the day. But the big one in the back there may be two of them that survive, so we'll see what happens. Now if we take a look over here, I just produced this raised bed. Now inside of this raised bed you see leaves and detritus, and also these leaves and this detritus was produced in a pit on the other side of the property, much like this pit over here. We put the tarp over top to hold in most of the heat, but we inoculated this soil, or these leaves and detritus, with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. So this entire bed has both beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. We're going to go ahead and put the seeds in now. Now I'm going to use a mixture of seeds. One is from American Seed, the other specifically states Fairy Morse on the pack, but they're basically from the same company, so no biggie, just one's more expensive than the other. So we're gonna see, it's August, we're gonna see what happens. Let me go ahead and put these in the ground. And the trench has been dug, just a little trench for the seeds. We'll put these seeds in and then cover. Alright, now the seeds are in, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover them up. Alright, I've covered up the seeds. Now I'm gonna water this in really good, and I am not gonna put any black walnut hull powder on this at this juncture, because I'm seeing that control over there with the beneficial bacteria and the beneficial fungi is actually doing good, and there are no signs of root knot nematodes affecting those plants. At this juncture, they should have been attacking those plants already, but I don't see it. So we're going to go without it for now. Now, if in the future I see those starting to get attacked, I'm going to go ahead and put my black walnut hull powder in here as a preventative measure. Alright, it's watered in now. I'm going to go ahead and put some light colored mulch that I produced from these palm frond sticks. I'll show you. Here it is. You can see the color. It's a lighter color, so it reflects light really well. Keeps the moisture down and in the soil. That's what I want. But yeah, it just comes from the palm frond sticks, not the frond itself. And I use a Sunjoe mulcher to produce this. Alright, there's the light colored mulch on top, and I'm going to water this in. And folks, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of our squash plants. Have a great day.